horizontal rule, superscript, subscript, bold, italics, underline. Now we will discuss the attributes of HR tag. Align. It has values left, center, right. Specify the alignment of a HR element. No shade. Values no shade. Specify that a HR element should render in one solid color instead of a shaded color. So it gives 2D effect. Size, its value pixels. Specify the height of a HR element. Width, pixels percent. Specify the width of a HR element. Now we will discuss HR tag with an example. HR size equals to 12, HR size equals to 36, HR size equals to 72. Using size attribute, we can display horizontal rule in different sizes. So here we have displayed horizontal rule in different sizes, that is 12 pixel, 36 pixel, 72 pixel respectively. HR width equals to 200. It can display width of the horizontal rule. HR width equals to 30%. Width extend across 30%. HR size equals to 36. No shade. Using no shade attribute, we can have a solid line. On the top we have used comment. Second, superscript and subscript, bold, italics, underline, special characters. So here we have used various tags. H sub2/sub O, X sup2/sup, and for special characters &LT semicolon, &GT semicolon, and &AMP semicolon. Now we will see the output.
are a row span and the col span. Okay, and I'll be showing you how to use the row span and col span. For a time being, I am removing this cell spacing and cell padding to make you understand about row span and col spans. Even though you can use the cell spacing and cell padding also, but for a time being, I'm just removing the cell spacing and cell padding so that the things will be more clear to you. Now, if I'll execute this thing, just a moment, hold on, let me save it first of all. So whenever you do any modification, save it, refresh it. You can see this thing is appearing in this form. Now, what I want to do, I want to merge these two cells where A and B is appearing. These two cells I want to merge. Whenever there is such type of a situation, whenever we have to merge the cells in the same row, we use the call span method. And this is the first row. You can see A is appearing into the first row, and A is the very first cell of a row. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use the very first cell of the row, that is the TD, the table data, where A is being appearing. Right now I'm using what? Call span. CULSPAN, call span. How many columns you want to merge? I want to merge the two columns. Done. Now, if I want to merge these two columns, it means I'm using the capabilities of this particular cell along with A only. So I do not require this particular cell over here because I have already merged it with the previous cell, like the cell that is being used at this position where A is appearing. So what I'm doing is I'm removing this particular column from here. Let's save it and just refresh, and you can see this particular thing is appearing in this way, like the two cells have been merged. In case if you are merging these three cells, it means the third cell has to be removed also. So I'm removing it, just saving it, and what I'm going to use it, I'm going to refresh it, and you can see this first particular thing is appearing in this way. Okay, and you want to make this A is to be appear into the center part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use align, ALIGN, as equal to center, CENTER, align open and align closed over here. Okay, save it and just refresh it, and nothing has been happened. So let me check it once again. I'm going to use Control X and just write A, save, and then refresh it, and you can see the A is appearing at a center section. I was used the align as a tag, but align is not a tag, it is an attribute that has to be used along with a tag.
Now we will see it practically. HTML, head, starting tag, title, internal linking, closing tag, title, slash, head, starting tag, body. After this we will use anchor tag, and with anchor tag we will use attribute name. So this tag is used, anchor tag, and with anchor tag we use the name attribute. So there are basically two steps. The first step is to make the target fragment. The second is to create the link to the fragment. Next we will include some text, and this text will be in paragraph, and it must be good amount of text so that when we click on the link, so it show the internal linking. So in the end we establish a link by using anchor tag ahref and the value that we have used in the name with hash and closing the anchor tag. In this way, we can do the internal linking. Next step is we will save the document and then we will get the desired internal linking. Thank you. src attribute is used to specify image source. Its value is the image file's URL. The alt attribute is used to specify alternate text. If image display is not possible, then alt attribute is used. So here you can see the syntax. Now let's understand it practically. img src, then we will type the address of the image, or simply we can copy also. Now we will save, and after this when we run, and we will see in this manner in the browser. The alt attribute specifies alternative text the browser may show if image display is not possible or disabled by the user. The value for the alt attribute is a text string of 1024 characters enclosed in quotation marks. So students, sometimes it may happen you may not find the image in the browser. Image will not be displayed. So in that case, alternative text will appear. A funny dog. So it is the alternative text. Inserting images. Browser can display image file in the document. So various format image files like GIF, XBM, JPEG format are supported. Inline image. Inline image means image display in line with the text. So within the text we can display the image. The specified image is loaded separately and placed into the text flow as if the image is a special character. Now we will see it practically. So first I will be typing the code for inserting image. So this image will be displayed within the text. So first HTML, head, title, inline images. So here we are considering inline images as the title. So the syntax is very important. So this you have to keep in mind. So for this we use the syntax IMG-SRC. IMG stands for image and SRC is the source, equals to, and then we will just copy the location of the image in this way and we will paste it. After that we will just write the name of the image. So here name is suite.jpg. So once we complete it, then we will save it. So I think all of you know the procedure how to save the file. First we will click the file menu and then select save as. Then we will give the name to the file, to the document. So at the desired location we can save it. So we will give a name suite.html. So with HTML extension, or we can give inline.html. After that we will see the output. So for this we will right click the file and open the file in a Google browser. So in this way we can insert image within the text. So students, so here you can see the various suites. So you have to tell me the name of the suites also. Okay, so this is the, we can say, from the Uttarakhand state. So you must know the name of these various suites which you can see right now on the picture. So I hope the topic, that is inline image, is now clear to you. So students, you need to practice it. Thank you.